Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show how to make this beautiful nutty flavored jam filled Linzer cookies. I used to bake these cookies during Christmas season and this is believed to be originated from Austria. Let's mix the dry ingredients first. In a bowl, take Maida or all-purpose flour. Add in almond powder or almond meal into it. You can grind fresh almonds with skin as well. In goes baking powder, cinnamon powder and salt. Now mix it nicely until everything combines well with a spatula. Take butter in another bowl and mix it nicely. I have used an electric beater, but you can mix it with a spatula as well. Add in sugar powder and continue beating. We have to beat until the butter turns cream and soft texture. Add an egg and mix it. Add in vanilla essence and continue beating. I'm just mixing it with spatula so that everything combines well. To the butter mix, add in the dry ingredients. Give it a mix with spatula so that everything combines well. Gently work on the mix to get a smooth dough. We'll get a smooth dough without adding any water or milk into it. Well, Linzer cookie dough is ready now. Divide the dough into 2 equal parts. Flatten it into a square shape and wrap it in an aluminum foil or a cling film. I'm just wrapping the other half of the dough now. We have to refrigerate the dough for half an hour or 10 minutes in freezer. Then only we'll be able to work on the dough into a desired shape. After refrigerating, our dough will be thick like this. Now let's roll the dough and cut it into desired shapes. Actually, first the dough will be little thick, but when you start rolling it will soften. Dust it with flour while rolling so that it doesn't stick. Roll the dough into a half-inch thick. I have used a star cutter since I am baking it for Christmas. You can cut it to any shape as per your wish. Now combine all the remaining dough and repeat what we did earlier. Wrap it in an aluminum foil and refrigerate it. I baked it for 10 minutes at 170 degrees Celsius. The baking time depends on your oven type. When the bottom and sides of the cookies turn little brown, you can just remove it from the oven. Look, our beautiful nutty flavored cookies are ready now. Well, we are gonna make Linzer cookies. I have rolled the dough and cut it into a star shape. With the help of the nozzle, I am cutting a small round shape in the center of the star. The cookies are baked now. Dust the cookies with the icing sugar which has hole in it. Now let's assemble the Linzer cookies. Take any jam as you wish and melt it lightly so that it will be easy to work on the cookies. Take star cookies without hole and flip it and spread the jam. Add little amount of jam and spread it. I have taken mixed fruit jam here. Now cover it with the cookie which has hole in it. Press the cookies slightly so that it sticks together. Look how beautiful our cookies has turned now. Star-shaped Linzer cookies are ready now. Now I'm gonna make round-shaped Linzer cookies. You can make any shape as per your wish. You can have this cookie as such, and this is my favorite one as well. The measurement is very important while making these cookies. We can freeze this cookie dough for more than a month. Since this is Christmas season, I am making Christmas tree Linzer cookies. I'm just making hole on the dough with the help of a nozzle. The Linzer cookies with different shapes are ready now. Well, the jam will firm up and the cookie wouldn't be soggy. This cookie almost tastes like Jim Jam biscuit, which is my favorite one. Do try this delicious Linzer cookies and share me the feedback. I'll see you next video. Until then, bye bye and take care.